you do feel as though you're on holiday here.
We like the feeling, the hospitality we get here. It's a really enjoyable place to come.
We're on holiday for the week. We're here for the week. We had a lovely week, thank you.
I like it because I like all the Welsh signs and that, and it's got a nice Welsh feel to it. And I'm English, but I love the sort of like Welshness of it. So
It's quite nice to hear. Yes, I quite like the Welsh music. It's nice and gentle, isn't it?
It's great, absolutely great. I think it means when you come into Wales, you know you're in Wales, and listening to the language is great because you're on holiday and you feel that you're part of the culture. And I think it should be like this. You know, it shouldn't be all English, and I think Welsh people should speak the language. Even to us, when you go to a foreign country, they try and speak to you in their language.
Pawb yn siarad Cymraeg yma, a llawer o busnesau Cymreig yn gwneud y dda yma de.
Wel, mae'n neis iawn gweld bod dolgellau yn Gymraeg ar y stryd a ddim yn yr ysgol yn unig. So mae pawb yn ddwyieithog yn dolgellau a maen nhw'n siarad Cymraeg trwy dydd.
It adds to that sense of having travelled somewhere that's different.
I've been to Wales a few times and you do notice in this area that people do speak Welsh quite a lot, yeah. No, actually I feel quite welcome. I think people are a lot more friendly here and they may be talking Welsh and then when they realise you're English, they will speak to you in English, but it's nice you feel part of a community, a little community here.
yeah, as we're going around and noticing there's a lot of Welsh on the shop signs, and we've been trying to practice our Welsh a little bit because though coming from Swansea we don't speak a lot of Welsh. So here it's inspired me to sort of learn a little bit of Welsh.
Mae'r gymdeithas yn gweithio efo'i gilydd a mae'r siopau gyd yn ddwyieithog a maen nhw yn dechrau iaith yn Gymraeg a wedyn yn Saesneg os di'r rhan. Mae'r arwyddion rownd y dre yn Gymraeg.
Yeah, mae'n definitely tourist town there. Mae busnes yn thrive efo touristiaeth.
I really like the fact there's lots of independent businesses, there's a lot of Welsh being spoken, I can practice my Welsh, and there's just lots of pretty shops selling something slightly different.
We like to hear it, but we don't understand a word they say, but we like it and we like the writing as well. The words are long but difficult for us in English.
It's one of the most fun things about travel is to hear the language.
Yeah, I hear it every day, and as someone who's come into the country and who wants to practice my Welsh, I really enjoy hearing it, get my ear in for the sounds. It has a lot of sort of local character, it makes me feel like I'm somewhere quite different from where I grew up, so thanks.
It's just very quaint and very peaceful, and it just gives the flavour of Wales.
Pawb sydd yn gweithio yma dwi'n meddwl siarad Cymraeg bron, neu'n dallt o, wyth o arwyddion Cymraeg a mae'n gres.